I'm Cathlene. I live in Brady, Nebraska. I had heard very good things about Dr. Dalrymple. Researched her a little bit on your hospital website and found out she is married to a third-generation farmer, and I thought, I don't think she's going anywhere. So I think I'm safe with starting a relationship with her. She's just always pleasant and full of energy. She's very detail-oriented. The first time I came to see her, she had my big old paper file because, of course, everything wasn't really online then. And she had it, with her when we met, and she knew what was in it. And that impressed me a lot with her. I had 2 fairly serious episodes of AFib. I had spent the night in the hospital. I decided after I had that I really wanted to see a cardiologist, given heart issues. So when I saw Dr. Denny, he came in and sat down, and he had my file, and he'd looked at everything, and then he just closed the file and he looked at me and he said, "Well, there's no secret about why this has happened." And he said, "Your AFib is weight-induced." I remember this conversation practically word for word. It just resonated with me. So it was more than a matter of just reducing calories. It was what exactly I was eating and exercise. So I've lost, I think, about 67 pounds. Probably am in better health now than I was when I was 50. But Dr. Denny was instrumental in that. He has been absolutely encouraging each time I've seen him since. I had to have a hip replacement then, was the next big thing that happened. And that was Dr. Lukens, who comes for specialty clinic. And he was wonderful. He took very good care of me. The surgery went very well. And so I'm doing good. But I think the combination of Dr. Dalrymple kind of managing everything, she made a referral to me for the nutritionist here at the hospital, Mary Lou. I've worked with her. She has been extremely helpful to me and a great champion for me. Mary Lou gives me lots of information, sites I can research things for myself. The specialty clinics with my hip surgery and the cardiologist have been very good. And my stays in the hospital have been good. The staff have been wonderful. The nurses were good. So I really like being able to get pretty much whatever I have needed here in one place. I have told many people in the community my experience with the physicians here and my recommendation. All of the doctors have just been very attentive, very educated about what my needs are, give me information. It's just been a very good experience for me.